delicious. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So right now it is currently 2:58 in the morning and I am seasoning the rib that I'm gonna cook tomorrow. So I got some rib already cut off the membrane, which is the back fat of the rib off. I'm seasoning it with some black pepper, lemon pepper, garlic pepper, dash onion and herb, and I'm gonna top it with some Slap Your Mama. So I'm gonna show y'all what the rib is looking like. Let y'all see. So I got the black pepper. Then I'm gonna add the lemon pepper to it. Garlic pepper. I'm just seasoning so it can marinate in the refrigerator, so tomorrow when I cook it I can just bake it in the oven. And you can tell when someone cook, they not seasoning their food. Now I'm gonna slap this with some Slap Your Mama. This is like Cajun seasoning, y'all, but this can substitute for like Lawry's because we don't have any Lawry's, so I'm gonna just use some of this. So you'll see all this seasoning. Some seasoning, y'all. So all I'm gonna do is give me a top and put this on the. This is the rib. I'm seasoning on both sides. This blue top. Put it in the refrigerator. Here, put the ribs in the refrigerator. This is the macaroni I'm cooking with it. And I found these greens in the cabinet. They're mixed green beans, so we're just gonna use them because my mom does have some bird eyes, but I don't want them because the sweet peas don't have any seasoning on it. So yeah, and then the pan I'm using to cook the ribs in, y'all, is this big old pan right here. So yeah, I will see y'all in the afternoon. So guys, the oven's preheating to 350 for the ribs. Yeah, these ribs smell so delicious. And the pan I'm using is this big old pan for the ribs. We got the macaroni. We got the green beans. And then I'm gonna cook some biscuits because I need some type of bread. Okay. So just gonna use the buttery, tasty flakes flavor, which is just the regular butter biscuits. So this pot for my macaroni, and yeah, even though the macaroni don't take that long, I'm gonna cook it because y'all, I don't want to wait a whole hour for this ribs. So I don't know if y'all can see, but it's filled up. Okay, so y'all, I'm about to put the ribs in here and set the timer for an hour. The ribs. I'm not gonna put no water, no nothing. I'm just put these ribs in here. Okay. So y'all kind of can see me put it in the oven. So y'all seen I just put the ribs into the oven. I just scraped up the rest of the ingredients that I put in there. If y'all want to know what I put into my ribs, let me show y'all. So I put black pepper, garlic powder. I said garlic pepper in the beginning, but it's garlic powder. Slap your mama, which is some Cajun seasoning. Some lemon pepper. And some dash onion and herb. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
But yeah, that's all that I use for the seasoning of my rib. Big old rib. I don't know if it's a baby back rib, but I don't know. It's some ribs, okay? Come baby, about to be delicious. Basically wash the dishes. This is kind of the kitchen. Don't mind all that stuff. That's like milk and stuff over there. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Alexa, how long do I have on my hour timer?
You have 47 minutes left on your 1 hour timer.
Okay, so y'all, since I have the hour left on my hour timer, what I'm gonna do is sit down and watch some Hulu or Netflix or something on the TV and edit this vlog. Y'all see the little Christmas tree things I put up there? I put those up last night. My mama bought them from Dollar Tree and wanted to put some little kind of a Christmassy little theme in here since we don't have a Christmas tree. Yeah, I'm about to watch some Hulu. I'm about to watch this show called Transplant. And it's really good. So yeah, I have 8 minutes left on my, or I don't know how long I left on my timer. But what I'm about to do is I got the water boiling for the macaroni. I'm about to put the biscuits in the oven, and this is the sauce, the barbecue sauce I'm put on top of the ribs. And one thing I don't like popping these. Like, popping these are not my best friend, okay? I don't like popping these, y'all. Bro, no, I don't like popping them. I don't like popping them. Biscuits are done. about to go pop them in the oven. I don't know if y'all can see the ribs, but I'm about to put the biscuits in the oven on the bottom. Alexa, how long on my timer?
You have 2 minutes left on your 18-minute timer.
Alright, y'all, so my timer's going off for the ribs. Alexa, stop. So I'm gonna show y'all what the ribs are looking like. So those are the ribs. Ooh, they just see.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to different sections of the audio, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
That's the rib, guys. Y'all, so I just took the rib out the oven. I'm about to put my barbecue sauce, and my water's boiling for my macaroni. What I'm about to do is put this back in the oven. I'm about to put the macaroni on. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Starting now.
So that gives me 10 minutes for the macaroni and 10 minutes for the barbecue sauce, just to get it drizzled on. Putting a lot of barbecue sauce because I love barbecue sauce. This is a lot. I'm trying to get kind of every angle that I can. So have you heard that beeping? I don't know. That was the first time that ever beeped. So I had to open the door, I guess, to stop the beeping. Because I was looking outside of the apartments, anybody else was going. So I guess it's just our house. So yeah, it's sorry for that. But what I'm about to do is stir. Basically, all I'm doing is wait on the macaroni. I'm waiting for my biscuits to be done, and I'm waiting on my ribs for the sauce to detain on the sauce. And yeah, so I'll basically chop back up when literally everything is done, because I really don't want to do no green beans, and I'm not gonna do no green beans because I don't want to. So especially just me eating this, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Rib, the macaroni, and the biscuits. Guys, this is my lunch, kind of dinner, lunch, dinner. I got the ribs, the macaroni, and the biscuits. And yeah, I did not cook no green beans, y'all. I don't feel like it. Now, my ribs do taste a little spicy, but that's okay, y'all. That's okay. I'm about to eat. So I really hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see you lovely babes in another video. Bye.